And the race is on. Mr. Saber from the outside, moving up by the rally's final judgment. And moving up in between runners, Diko Akalain. It's now final judgment, followed by Diko Akalain. Mr. Saber on the outside, moving up is Canadian Girl. As they race the last 600, final judgment by about 2 lengths, Diko Akalain, Mr. Saber, Kate Ganda, unequaled also rushing up as they race the last 450. Final judgment, Diko Akalain, Mr. Saber on the further outside is Kate Ganda, unequaled Danori inside, last 150. Final judgment, Diko Akalain between runners, Mr. Saber unequaled, rushing up. It's now unequaled, Mr. Saber on the further outside, and finally, entry number 6, unequaled. Mr. Saber, Diko Akalain, close, so it's you, final judgment, Pentafecta.
Okay, medyo dihado to.